Let's go through some vocabulary that we'll use during this unit. The first word that I'd like to discuss is constant. A constant is a unique number. So I'm just going to have a number by itself. And whenever I have a number by itself without a variable that I'm multiplying by it, I'll call it a constant. I used another keyword here. A variable is a letter that represents a number. So we could use X, we could use Y, we could even use a smiley face. Anything that's not a number that we're using to represent a number. All right. The third word, let's look at the definition first. If there is a proportional relationship, it can be defined by Y equals KX. K represents this. This is the same word we used on the other side, constant of proportionality. Make sure you have those words written down, please. If you need to pause the video to do that, pause the video now. Cookies. Riley volunteered to make cookies for the entire 7th grade class. She needs 3 cookies for each of the 96 students in 7th grade. Riley determines that she can fit 36 cookies on 2 cookie sheets. Part A, fill in the table to determine the number of cookies baked per sheet. Sorry, the word per is over here. All right, so I'm going to leave this to you. You calculate the number of cookies baked per cookie sheet, and then also the unit rate for each of those cookies. So pause the video now to fill in the table. When you're done filling in the table, take a look at these questions. B, what is the unit rate? I'm not going to answer that for you. You should have your answer in this column. It should be the same for every one of these. What is the constant of proportionality? I'm not going to tell you that either. It's going to be the same as part B because this is a proportional relationship. For D, try to explain what constant of proportionality means on your own. Take a moment to pause and do that right now, and then check back in with the video. In this situation, the constant of proportionality represents the number of cookies baked per sheet. Part E. It takes 2 hours to bake 8 sheets of cookies. If Riley starts baking at 4 p.m., when will she finish baking cookies? You're going to need to take 2 steps to figure this out, and I'm not going to do it for you. I'm going to leave it totally for you to do on your own. Step 1, how long will she spend baking? And then step 2, when will she finish? Please answer these on your own right now.